All right, y'all. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch for recent videos. Share my channel also. Got a nice green day. Let's get to it. Gonna go get some cash flow, a little bit of growth stocks, and get up out of here. All right. I'm gonna knock out this one quick. Since it's at the top of my list, y'all stay out of this one. You know, I give y'all the reasons of what I'm buying and why. I tell you to stay out of whatever, what stocks to buy, and the reason why I'm buying it, whether it's cash flow for a swing trade or whatever. Like I said, you the CEO of your portfolio, got to do what's best for you. You stay out of this one. This one was getting whooped. This gonna be a swing trade for me. I'm trading myself up out of it. So I tell y'all to stay up out of it. I just want to knock that one out because at the top of my list. Just try not to make things difficult on myself. WMT, Walmart, definitely a buy, long-term buy. That's my favorite stock, buy and hold forever stock. Some people like Apple, some people like Amazon, some people like Tesla. That's their buy and hold stock. I like WMT. See, I got an average cost of $71.02. I'm up 79%. Anytime this stock pull back, guess what I do? I go buy. Get $5 worth for that. Do I load up? No, I don't. OXLC. One thing about me, I give it to y'all real. When y'all message me in comments, I respond back. OXLC, like I'm telling you now, it pay 40 cents a share now till the ex-dividend date, which I think is March the 13th. But after that, for the payments from April on out, it's going to reduce the dividend to 20 cents per share. That's still a 26.09% dividend yield, and it pay out every month. It's sold off because a lot of people panic. They say, oh, it's going to cut the dividend, whatever it is. People ain't looking at it. Still a 26% return on your money every year, and that you're not going to find that deal like that anywhere else. So anyway, OXLC got down to $9.03 today. Like I say, I'm cashing up on stuff. Go get $2 worth. I ain't gonna say trying to be more disciplined because I am, but I'm trying to be more disciplined. No way to just sweeten it up. KLIP got down to, I think it was 29.66 today. I'm at 35.19. Paid 60 to 68 cents a share. I got this on $1 a day recurring anyway, but like I say, it's down under 30 bucks. So lowering the average cost. Once it get past 31, I'm not gonna buy it. But that is a nice cash flow stock, monthly flow stock. OPP pays 9 cents a share. It's at 7.92. At 7.93, so not really gonna bother it. I mean, you can if you want. I brought something the other day at 7.85. Like I say, when it does dip below it, I go add $1 or $2 on. The day it got down to 7.91. Like I say, that ain't no big discount, but I brought some in another portfolio because I got an average cost in the $8 range. That's why it's on my list. But I brought that play over from my Weeble portfolio. We got CRF, pay like 11 cents a share a month. Another one I brought over from my Weeble portfolio, pay out every month. Definitely nice monthly cash flow, 1.5. 688 is trading at. Got a 52-week low of 581. So anyway, brought some of that. I'm gonna get another $2 worth. All right, added on some CRF. Got PCF, another one that kind of pulled back. But like I said, I brought this over, so I'm actually up in this one. But in my other portfolio, I'm down. That's why it's on my list. Right now, I wouldn't bother it unless you just something you want to have. It does pay out every month. Pay like 7.75 cents a share every month, something like that. I can show you right here. Well, 0.58 pay 6 cents a share a month. So that's something you like and just want to get that. You put on $1 a day recurring and let it do its thing and just build your position in it. FLO Flowers Food down to $9.57 a day. I like this at $10 and under. It was trading around about $11. Look at the last month. It was up, came down drastically last week because it had bad earnings. They're going to chase the dividend yield, 10.17% yield. I'm definitely buying at 10 and under. Put a buy limit order in at $9.57. Bull, BULL, down to $5.83 today. Bull, you got to wait on Bull to have some good earnings. Like I said, I'm trying to do better. I'm about to go get a whole share. I'm just gonna get $2 worth. Not running out of money. Just want my dividend. Want to pay back my dividend some too. I'd rather go and do it. If I'm gonna put a buy limit order in, I'd rather go at the end of the week on the week to weekends. I'm gonna target it out the last 5 days, and I'm gonna put a buy limit order at the weekly low. That's how I'm gonna operate from here on out. That's my strategy. That was Bull. We got Hood. Unless it's something I just want real bad, like a dividend play or something. Got down to 74.06, 76.35, $3 worth. Go pick up some of that for the day. Hood also is one. Got to wait on them earnings to come out, and it's a future play. Buying whole stock. Uber is another one for you to get. Buying whole play. Not going anywhere. Did a video last night on Upside. Got an upside of like $40 a share, 52-week highs, 101.99. They had a lawsuit and stuff coming out. People been getting killed in Ubers and stuff. So that's one risk of holding them is, anytime something drastic happen in those Ubers, they're going to try to sue the company. So they write it off on their taxes. Anyway, Amazon, 205, 52-week high, 258. So that's definitely a buy. On the pullback, got to get AMZY while you with it. Notice green for the day too. Trading at 11.31. Just get $2 worth since I'm here. This does pay out every week. Like I say, when Amazon is up, AMZY going to be up. When it's down, AMZY going to be down. Arbor Realty, $7.31. I'm going in that. It's paid 31 cents a share every quarter. Get me another 25 at that price. Nope, trying to do better. All right, pick up 5 at that price. I might go up at the 25 though. OXXQ pay out 3.5 cents a share every month, down to 174. Going to get me some of that. $1.74. Y'all want monthly cash flow? Definitely want to buy. All right, gonna go with SoFi. Got down to 19.23 today. So gonna go add a little piece on. They ain't got to load up. That's the bank stock for the future. Got QQQY. 22.43. I'm at 24.16. Pays out every week. You can get a little $2 worth for that. It's not down on the pullback. Just below my average cost. Also one I like, which is up now, IWMY. I only buy this at $20 and under. I'm at 2057, 2018. That's doing options on the Russell 2000. QQQY does the NASDAQ 100. YMAX. I think I got this on the dollar-day recurring. Recurring by $2 a day. It's at 850. Not gonna bother it. Could go get I already got on $2 a day recurring. Got YMAG, YM, AG. Options on the Magnificent 7, $12.92 today. A little $2 worth. Like I said, you ain't got to load up. You'll build your positions over time. NFLX Netflix, $76.29 today, $77.84. Go get you some of that. Also get your little piece I like, NFLY, $9.96. I see you ain't got to load up on nothing. They got this one on recurring too at $1 a day. PFLT down to $8.47 at $8.57. $3 worth of that. Like I said, I'm gonna go at the weekly low and do what I gotta do. I'm gonna still hit this at 840 though. Cause that was 8.40. Like I say, unless it's something I want real bad, just a nice dividend play. Do that one time. Right there. Earn, EARN. Does 8 cents a share every month. Got down to $4.98 the other day, 503. I can do that. Gotta get this while it's under my average cost. Buying that cash flow up. 52 high, 658. I'm at 507. Well, leave it alone at 510. Alright. I brought down my average cost and I brought all those shares the other day. SRLN is for safety, 7.7% dividend yield, 25 cents a share every month. Will get you a piece of that. I buy $10 or $20 of that every day. In my Cash App portfolio, HRZN, I got like $144 a month coming in this one. Average cost $9.30. I just reinvest the dividends back slowly. Do I give it all back to them? No, I don't. I just give them probably about $10 to $15 a week. And the rest I put into other plays. Fiat. At 30.87. Not going to bother that because it's still kind of high for me to buy. GIS. I didn't know I actually brought some of this the other day. I told myself I was going to sell it. So let me sell this because I didn't mean to buy it. I don't want to start no position in it. Sell it while I'm up. But I did go get some of that in my Cash App portfolio. And I'm going to be making my exit out of it because I don't like the food industry. And also I don't like the stuff that they sell, all that sugary snacks and processed food, sugary cereals. They sell a bunch of stuff that I wouldn't eat and I wouldn't dare give to my kids. So I'm making my exit out of that. Think sooner or later people going to be more health conscious and see that kind of stuff. And with this one here, like with GIS, General Mills, probably 70 to 90% of their products are ultra processed foods. With Kraft Foods, the same way. About 70% of stuff they sell is ultra processed foods. So another one I'm gonna be getting out of. But people gonna chase yield on this one. I think I got a sale order in at $26. If I'm not mistaken. I don't know if they're gonna show it, but anyway, when it's hit 26, I'm out. Next time it goes up to that. That's everything on my list. Let's go check our traps. And we can get on out of here because it's a green day. So, how y'all feeling about PSEC for y'all that brought it when I was giving it to y'all the last 6 months? At $2.79, at $3. A lot of y'all start y'all position. Y'all should have started it. Y'all average cost should be around about $2.45, $2.60. So y'all should be up good too. Pay 4.5 cents a share every month. TRTX down 4.03%. What's going on here? Dividend yield 10.09%. 52-week high is 985. All right, got a sell limit in, so I'm gonna make my way out of that one. Try to get the most I can for it though. Let's check out global net lease, 972, 756. Why do I own this one? 7.72% yield. It might make myself a sell out of this one at 10.04. 7% yield is cool, but they ain't really got to have it. What's the PE ratio? Yeah, I can pretty much get out of that one. I'm going to come back to it, think about it. Land was another one I thought about getting out of while I'm up. I'm trying to operate lean on REITs and BDCs. So let me write these down. Land, GNL. 4.91% yield ain't nothing. CHCT, they had good earnings yesterday, 1760. Community healthcare, 10.46% yield. Tell us another one I thought about getting out of. I can get that 8.69 out of the something that pay every month, and I don't have to pay the ADR fees. What's the 52-week high with Telus? 1674. TU. All right. Let's keep going to check it out. Sabre Healthcare had good earnings last week. 52-week high is 2070. 5.83% yield. You got Postal up in that one. It's what you got to do with your portfolio. I got a lot of positions, though. Y'all not going to have as much as me. That's why I'm trying to operate leaner. Healthcare REIT. Trying to just get it to where I just want monthly and weekly stocks where I'm going with cash flow. I'm at a place in my life now where I can just retire. All I really do outside of my kids is travel. So if I'm going to live that lifestyle, I need stuff that's coming in every. Wendy's also is up for the day if y'all did not know. They say the stock is undervalued. Think they didn't have earnings, but they were just, the statement came out. I ain't read everything, but it was in the headline saying that. So Wendy's, Just look at that. Waste management, a boring stock that don't do nothing but go up. Dividend yield sucks, but it's a growth stock. And everything else looking good. It's what you do basically every day, man. CRF and CLM with the same company, Cornerstone. You can say these dividend plays, you just dollar cost average in, don't load up. It's below your average cost, add a piece. Okay, I'm starting a new position in this one. $2 worth. That's that, CLM, CRF, and that's really it, man. Easy day, go get your money.